Good morning to all. Welcome to the virtual class of computer of class 8th. Today we are going to start lesson number 1, part number 2. Our topic is let us explore computer network. Wired network technology. A wired network technology setup uses physical cables to transfer data between different devices and computer systems. Different types of network cables like coaxial cable, optical fiber cable, twisted pair cables are used depending on the network's requirement. First is twisted pair cable. A twisted pair cable used for networking is of two types. First is shielded and second is unshielded. An Ethernet cable is type of twisted pair cable. It is used to connect two network devices directly. The device can be a computer, switch, etc. Second is coaxial cable. A coaxial cable consists of a central copper wire surrounding by an outer jacket. It is used by cable TV companies to connect television sets to antennas. Third is fiber optic cable. An optical fiber cable uses glass threads to transmit data, each of which is capable of transmitting messages in the form of light waves. These networks, these network cables are bendable despite being made of glass. Wireless network technology. There are many wireless mediums available which are used to share or transmit data and resources in a wireless network. For example, infrared, Bluetooth, radio link, microwave, satellite link, etc. These mediums can send or transmit data and resources at different speed and distance. Types of wireless network technology. First is Bluetooth. Bluetooth is a wireless technology which uses radio frequencies to transmit information over short distances. It allows communication between several devices at a time. It can work only for short distances, generally 10 meters or less. Second is infrared waves. They are used for communication between devices that are not very far from each other, such as in remote controls of your TV sets, etc. This type of transmission uses infrared light to communicate between two devices. It can work only for short distances. It is affected by distance, noise, and heat. Normally operates between two devices at a time. Third is radio waves. Radio waves are the electromagnetic signals that are transmitted by an antenna. They are omnidirectional waves, that is, they are travel in all the directions from the source. Radio waves transmit music, conversations, pictures, and data. For example, FM radio, televisions, codeless telephone, cellular phones, pagers, and wireless LAN, etc. Radio waves can travel long distances and can penetrate buildings easily. However, these signals get easily affected by rain, thunderstorm, etc. Fourth is satellite communication. Satellite communication is widely used all over the world, allowing users to transmit a signal to any part of the Earth's surface. When a signal to a satellite, it either reflects it back to the Earth or transmit it to another satellite. This way, it can reach anywhere on the earth. Nowadays, satellite transmission is extensively used by major television broadcasting companies. Fifth is 3G, third generation. 3G is the new generation of wireless network technology. It has increased the speed of communication. The objective of this technology is to provide various value added services uh, live video calling, live streaming, mobile internet access, etc. Next is 4G. 4G is the successor technology of 3G. It offers more bandwidth and services as compared to 3G. The bandwidth is approx 100 MHz and transfer data at much higher rates. Sixth is Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is the most popular wireless communication technology used within a room or a building for connecting to internet. Wi-Fi uses radio waves to allow two or more devices to communicate with one another. The technology is most commonly used to connect devices like computers, tablets, and mobile phones to the internet. Wi-Fi networks need to be a password protected for security purpose to safeguard it from unauthorized users. Seventh is WiMAX. It is similar to Wi-Fi. It works on a much larger scale and at faster speeds. It covers greater distance and can cover large cities. It has a range of up to 30 miles. Thank you.